Hi, I'm Jaden, and this is my cousin David, and welcome to my YouTube channel. David, you want to say anything?
Yeah, rock and roll!
Welcome back, friends. Hey David, what are we making today?
Where are blow painted with straws?
Dude, that sounds really fun. Are you ready to create something fun? The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna glue our faces to the paper, okay? No, David, these faces. Good. And there's my face.
That is my whole face. Back, just joking.
Okay, David, now we're gonna add some silly hair to our faces. And just a little bit of that. Just put it on my head and blow. Good job.
Hey Jaden, that looks like amazing. Let's move on to the next color.
Sounds like a good idea. And it's going to do that. Put it up there and blow. Whoa. That looks so cool. Whoa. This looks amazing. Look at that. Yep. Hey David, who do you think has the most wackiest hair?
Me.
Okay. Well, until next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to be awesome.